Case name Abdul Rahim, age is 23 years. Today date is 2nd of July 2024 and complain of high-pitched voice even after puberty. So I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
My name is Abdul Rahim Rafiq Meman. I am from Mumbai. I can come here to cure my puberphonia or high-pitch problem.
Okay, what challenges you are facing in day-to-day life?
I am not able to speak loudly in crowd and also not have too much confidence.
Post-therapy video of Abdul Rahim, and today date is 8th of July 2024. So Abdul, I want speech sample after treatment. Why you came here and how do you feel after the treatment? What are the reactions you are getting on the phone call of your friends and relatives after the treatment?
I came here to cure my high-pitched voice problem. After the therapy, I feel very confident in talking with phone and friends. And I see the changes in my voice. It was very more clear than as compared to before.
So now your voice is more clear, you are telling. But when you are calling on the phone, what reactions you got first time when you called to your friends?
My friends said your voice is getting deeper and it's sound like nice.
So they were able to recognize, or you gave some evidence to recognize?
No, they are able to recognize me.
Okay, so can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, you can.
Okay, thanks for giving the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see the positive changes, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thank you so much for watching.